This is Bobby at Copel TV Repair, and this is a real quick functionality pro video showing that an EEPROM that we are about to send to a customer. They ordered it on eBay. I'm gonna sign it here. It's in a socket. I'm gonna sign it. Let me see. CTLVR. Hope that makes sense. Just enough to ensure them that this is the EEPROM that we're sending them for Samsung Un55D6003. Powering it on now. We have similar videos in the past. We're doing this one before sending the thing. In the previous videos, the older ones, you would know that the screen is not as bad as it looks now, and that is because one of the local TV technicians begged us real hard. They broke customers' TV of the same kind. They screwed up the screen while replacing the LED strips, so they bought just the LCD from us to save the day, because it was enterprise customer or something. But as you can see, the EEPROM is currently starting, and as previous videos explain, the TV would actually still start. It will never come to here, or it may come to here, but it will not stay here. Overall, it will stay for 30 seconds. It will never get the updated apps up there if the EEPROM is bad. It may start without this EEPROM installed at all, but it will never get to that update. That means the software that is on that EEPROM is executing and the update has happened. So it does work. I'm not going to show more than that. This is more than 30 seconds. You know that it does work. So good luck with your repairs.